All right, this is number 4, I think. So we have the piece in place. So we cut that out. We then trace that piece onto this board. And then we cut that excess out of this board. I left the front on so I could handle the piece while I was working on it, jigsawing it, so on and so forth. I'll use that jigsaw over there. And this will be simple enough to go ahead and just cut off right there at this line. So that's how that's going to work. Gorilla Glue is in there now. We just have to wait for that to set up. But next comes belt sanding the deck. This is going to get painted. This is Labor Day weekend, and the weather is looking marvelous for this type of job. So let's get to it.